It will likely take several weeks for an Adams County judge to learn his fate following a hearing before the Illinois Courts Commission. Testimony before the commission concluded yesterday for Judge Robert Adrian. Adrian came under fire last year when he reversed his own ruling that found Drew Clinton guilty of sexually assaulting a 16-year-old girl. Commissioners have the power to remove, suspend, or reprimand judges in Illinois.